Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 443 different strategies, with 137 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved on a live trading account using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 342 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,059 indicators, with 442 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says the most accurate scalping TradingView indicator strategy, 99.9% winning. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what kind of win rate this strategy actually has. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now, and the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the relative Andean scalping indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. And what we're going to do is, under the Andean length, we're going to change that to 55. The Andean signal length, we're going to change that to 7. The bands type, we're going to change that to BB. The bands type, second one down here, I guess I should say, we're going to change that one to HMA. Then we're going to go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the MACD histogram. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. And what we're going to do is, under the source right here, we're going to change that to close. We're then going to jump down to the MA length, and we're going to change that to 25. And under the slow MA length, we're going to change that to 50. Then go ahead and click OK. So what we're looking for a long trade, so we're looking for the long tag like this here from the Andean scalping indicator. When we get that long tag from the Andean scalping indicator, we're going to look down to the MACD histogram, and we want it to have this blue, green, teal colored background like it does here. And so once those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below this kind of pivot area right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And a little bit of consolidation, then a nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is the short red tag like this here from the Andean scalping indicator. And then we're going to look down to the MACD histogram, and we want it to have the reddish colored background like it does here. And once those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And a kind of steady stair step down with price action before it makes this really strong push, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we had 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 36% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if we are looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So definitely not a 99% winning strategy, and definitely not the most accurate scalping strategy either. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 45 trades altogether. We had 37 winning trades and 8 losing trades. That's going to put it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $12,600. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would increase the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $22,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just yesterday we closed out winning trade number 70. That's 70 winning trades in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now so that way you can take a look at that. It's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. Again, that's a 100% win rate with a live trading account over 4 months of profitability now. We're in the back testing. The combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and look at the money back guarantee right here if that is something you are interested in, if you are interested in becoming a profitable trader. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.